Hey y'all, I am back with another wig install video. Thank you to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring this video. They sent your girl a 250 density deep wave wig with single knots, y'all. This is literally not plucked, not nothing. Like, it looks just like the pictures on the website, and I'm not capping. But you already know, first thing first, you gotta put the makeup on your cap, glue the cap down with the got-to-be spray. Then you gotta cut the cap. If you're not looking bald after the cap is cut, baby, something ain't right, okay? I don't know if my head is growing or the wig medium-sized caps is getting a little bit smaller, but these caps have not been fitting my head lately. I think my head is enlarging. I'm not gonna lie. The lace wasn't even cut yet and it's already looking like skin. Stop playing. But let's glue this cap down. You know, hurry up. Let's hurry the process up. You know, you only got 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Hurry up. Okay, we're just waiting. Y'all don't mind the mess in the background. I'm inside her room. Child, this little mess. We human. We're human. Okay, now it's time to lay the wig down. Gotta lay the foundation down. Gotta lay it down. This wig looks so good already. Ugh.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Okay, so the wig is down. Now it's time to put the, you know, what it's called? The lace. What is called? The lace band down to make sure it melts in the skin. Put the lace band down for like an hour. We need this melted. What lace? I need nobody to be able to see my lace when I'm done. Tie it tight. Hurt my ears. Do what you got to do, boo. Bro, 250 density is so much hair. I love full curly hair. When my curly hair be thin, I do not be messing with it, but I love a good curly hair with the fullness to it. But now it's time to cut the lace. This is what I mean by melting the lace. It's not even melted yet. It's not even, no melting spray, no nothing. And you can't even see the lace. If your hairstyle is not coming like this, tell them don't come at all. Okay, so now we're doing the baby hairs or whatever. I don't know, like, the baby hairs feel like it takes longer than the actual install. Because you got to do them all perfect and make sure they twins. But a lot of times they be cousins because you're not going to make them perfect for real. Nah, because them baby hairs eat down. Like, look at them. Come on. Like, them is tea. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm growing out of baby hairs or what. With straight hair, I don't really mess with baby hairs no more. I don't know. What y'all think? I think like no baby hairs give adult and then baby hairs give like childish. Let me know. Now we gotta blow dry the hair and make sure everything stays flat, seamless, all that. It was just giving like Beyonce in the music video with the hair flown back. I feel like that girl, but this is the finished look with the dry big hair. I personally prefer my hair to be this big and dry. Like, I like the dry look. I don't really like mess with the wet look that much, but this is so cute. I love big hair on me. That is my go-to big, long, curly hair. And it's so freaking full and it feels so good. Like, and for it to be big hair, the curls are still defined. That's what you don't get very often. But I decided to try the wet look out, give a little Dominican mommy. So we're gonna wet this hair up and see how it comes out. This is how you're gonna see the real curl pattern. Okay, but these curls is eating though. Alipearl. You did your big one on these curls though. I'm not even gonna lie. This is cute. I was already feeling myself. Stop.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here?
This is the finished product. Thank you, Alipearl, once again. I'm in love with this wig. Make sure you guys get yours. All the details will be in the comment section below. See y'all later. I love y'all.